Ultra Wine Rack's Minimalist Series installation. Step 1. Locate the desired area for the rack installation. Step 2. Identify the appropriate mounting hardware for your wall, floor, and ceiling surfaces. Step 3. Mark the mounting locations and drill the necessary holes for the post system. Step 4. Assemble the telescopic post system. Step 5. Align and secure the post system in place. Important note, the 7-foot hollow base should be affixed to the floor, not the ceiling. Step 6. Install the locking hex head bolt onto the post system. Step 7. Drill the initial pilot holes for the first mounting plate. Step 8. Attach the first mounting plate to the post, then repeat for the remaining plates. Step 9. Assemble the minimalist mounting plates, pegs, and lock nuts. Step 10. For two-sided applications only, repeat steps 7 through 9 on the back side of the system. Step 11. Add your wine bottles and enjoy.
Store wine right. Wine Cellar HQ.